Unsolved Crimes newspaper, as a response to Cavalier civil society organization, within the framework of a struggle against religious extremism, presents.
Для чего?
For what reason a journalist struggles with some sectarians, with windmills that actually do not exist? If it's an organized criminal group, let then the law enforcement authorities do it. If an organized criminal group does really exist, and if it was not made up by a certain structure that has its own interest in that. Oleg Maltsev, scientist, founder and head of the research institute International Fate-Analysis Association, founder and head of expeditionary force. Greetings, Oleg Viktorovich. Good afternoon, Konstantin Vladimirovich. I would like to start our Odessa Munich Media Bridge from congratulating you as the main architect of an international project, which is needless to say, is a resonance. We can confidently talk about it in a scientific, academic world as well as in the political community. As far as we know, there was a meeting with Massimo Introvigne. And if I'm not mistaken, Massimo Introvigne had invited you to his institute, where you had this meeting. First question. What were the discussed topics and the agenda? I will say that there were three parts of the talk. The first one is about nature of new religious movements. In other words, we talked about academical side. Second topic was the struggle against religious extremism. So when we met and dotted the I's and crossed the T's and came up with the conclusion that such a happening exists, we decided to analyze it from different sides and decide whether it is legitimate and scientific. The third part was methodological. It was a closed part of negotiation without cameras. In a nutshell, we discussed the methodology of religion extremism combat. I mean these actual methods that can be used, ways of stopping such an individuals that commit illegal activities towards third parties. As business entities, commercial organizations, that has nothing to do with religion. We looked at how scholars deal with it, and I shared my experience of how I do it. And it turned into a consistent system that can work independently and lets achieve results mutually. In a non-official part, there was one question that I asked. Whether there was somebody who worked on constructing some kind of methodology of struggle against this kind of subjects. And Massimo Introvigne did like that. Me. And I asked, if there is somebody else? He said yes, there are two professors that are 80 years old. In the future I will be the only one. He was surprised that there are people that are able to confront it, since actually they were working in a certain way till today. And it yielded some results in the court, it yielded some results in an academic sphere, but it did not stop actual attempts of religious extremism. What we offer is going to stop them. I mean, it is a termination of extremist activity of subjects. We built a system that is capable of protecting legitimate interests of citizens, legal entities and certain circles from a happening, which resembles cancer tumor, called religious extremism.